Hi, welcome to Crafty Little Things. I'm Andrea. I just thought I'd show you this stamp set. I bought it from AliExpress. Well, you know what it's like with AliExpress, you buy it and it comes a few weeks later. And I used it in a project. I've used it in lots of projects. I've just not shared them all on my social media platforms. But I did share a project using it the other day, and so many people have contacted me and asked me where I got it from, and they need to have it. And it was just from AliExpress, and I'll put a link below. Obviously they've not seen the full set, so I just thought I'd show you the full set. And I don't know if this is, I don't know where this has come from originally. I've never seen it before anywhere, and I've looked for crochet and knitting because I do a lot of crochet and knitting. I've looked for crochet and knitting themed stamp sets before, and I've never been able to find any. So I think I came across one that was in the States that was cost an absolute arm and a leg, but it wasn't even this one. So if this has been copied from someone else, I'm oblivious to that fact. I can only go on what I can go on. So it's got this basket of yarn here, which is a lovely stamp. I'm just thinking if I got it anywhere. I haven't got it stamped anywhere to hand, but it is a lovely stamp, and it's great for colouring out. I usually stamp it in a crumb cake, and then I use blends to just colour the wool in, and I just use an aqua marker just to bring some of the crumb cake through into the basket. And then it's got Oh Knit, I Forgot, two separate things. I suppose Oh Knit could be, you know, just knit if you're feeling a bit down. I forgot your birthday, or the knit can be used as a substitute for not so nice word for a couple of these things. Yarn is cheaper than therapy, a nice sort of handwritten font there, that's lovely. Knit happens, again it's used as a bit of a replacement for another word. And then knitted and crocheted with love are all separate stamps, and even these two little hearts are separate. So that could make your own stamp for a label or something that you've put on something that you've made. This ball of yarn is really nice. I'm Hooked on You, Too Legit to Knit. And then there's a crochet hook and a knitting needle. What I like about it is that it does have a crochet hook, and it can be used for crochet or knitting. I mean, this, the ball of yarn, they can all be used for crochet projects as well as knitting projects. Sorry I Was Such a Nitwit. And then there's your ball of yarn here, or your skein of yarn here, with three faces. You've got a smiley face, a big, you know, big open mouth smile, and a sad face. And that was really cute, and it was only a couple of pounds, so I'll link that. Then I got this other one, which is a little bit more sophisticated, if you like. I don't know if you can see it very well through there. Let's see if I can find a piece of white card just to back it off with, that might help. I should be more successful in that in finding white card. Yeah, so this one has got a skein of yarn saying I love you in tiny little letters. It's got love, which is like made out of a piece of yarn. It's got almost like an embroidered panel heart here. It's got this heart here, which is sort of stitched. A couple of knitting needles with little hearts on the top. A heart-shaped ball of wool with two knitting needles coming out of it. My heart yarns for you. Hooked on You again. It's got the crochet hook. It's got a small bundle of the small skein of yarn with a heart on it, which is so cute. And it's got this crocheted flower here. It's got another heart motif, a little hanging heart kind of project there. Balls of yarn in a basket again, and XOXO in yarn. So that's really pretty stamp. To be honest with you, I've only used this little one here, so I'm not sure what the others turn out like, so I'm just going to have a little go while I'm here. I'm using my Fresh Fig and Berry Burst here at the minute because they're just out, but they're really, really juicy, and I don't know why they've suddenly gone, oh, that's beautiful. Oh, I love that. Oh, you could use different colours. You can make proper little bunting to go on a card. It'll look beautiful. I love it. And the little flower motif. Oh, that's gorgeous. It just so looks like it's been crocheted. It's beautiful. I might make a tag for that to go with Louise's flowers that I'm sending. They're just so pretty. Let me just see. Let me see how well this comes out, because this is a tiny font on this. This I love you in the middle of this skein of yarn. Oh, I love yarn, it says. Oh, I thought it said I love you. Well, there you go. Good job of popped it out, because I probably wouldn't have used it much, because there's not many people I love. And then love here. Let's have a look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh yeah, I love that. It's just so pretty. That's definitely going to get some good use. And then these bigger ones. Probably should have put that on a bigger piece of, a bigger block, but never mind. Let's see how this turns out. Oh, that is so cute. Look at that. Oh, I do love these. They're definitely going to get well used. So anyway, I'll pop a link to those below as well. And again, I've never seen that anywhere else. And I have searched for crochet and knitting stamps for a long time. So I was pleased to find those. So I'll pop the links below. If you can't get hold of them, or they don't ship to your country or anything like that, do let me know, because I'm always happy to help out and post on. I only had to wait 13 days. I waited for these particular ones to arrive, so it wasn't too bad from China to UK.